that they are now coming out to us to educate us on what actually is Eacc and to demystify what we always think Eacc is all about, that there could be against devolution because they seem to target, from our knowledge, they seem to target so much on the devolved units and the governors and the operations in the counties. But now they're teaching us that the more we know about their operations, the more freer we are to work with them.
Land grabbing in this country is a problem, and we have, as a commission, if you go through our websites, you can see we are in the process of trying to recover quite a bit of resources, including land and cash, and places which have got high potential naturally will also attract high grabbing.
A parcel of land having 2 or 3 titles, and you wonder which one is really genuine. And we ask ourselves that what Eacc is doing now to recover assets is something very commendable. And to me, I support that Eacc should also target on land grabbers, because soon there will be no land to, for perpetuity in our county. And I want to say it is time now Eacc steps in as an agency together with us and together with the other bodies to help us recover public lands.